An earthquake of at least magnitude 7.5 struck Mindanao in southern Philippines late on Saturday, triggering evacuation orders for some areas and southwestern Japan's coast because of warning of tsunami waves of meter 3. The Philippine Seismology Agency Peoples said the waves could hit the Philippines by midnight and continue 4 hours. The United States Tsunami Warning System said there could be waves of up to 3 meters above the tide level along some Philippines coast. Boats already at sea during this period should stay offshore in deep waters until further advised. People said asking people living near the coast of Surigao, Del Sar and Davao Oriental Province to immediately evacuate or move further inland. The Japan's broadcaster NHK said tsunami waves of up to a meter were expected to reach Japan's southwestern coast around 30 minutes later by 1:30 a.m. on Sunday. People said it did expect significant damage from the tremor itself, but warned of after